I don't want to use the basket to shift it downstairs back to its nest, original nest. So it's not a good idea to put it in the basket and give it anxiety. So my cat is outside roaming somewhere else. I didn't get it. So I'm gonna carry out on my this finger. Let us see. Hey, come here. Come here. Come. We'll go down. Come here. Come. Come. See, it's not. When it's not coming. Once it comes, it doesn't go. And it's making so much. Okay. Come, Shana, come. Can you see it? Come here. Let's go. Yeah. Very good. We'll go. Let us go. Let us go, baby. It eats lizard, and I'm kissing it. Back to its nest, original nest that I have shifted at a safer and better place.
आधीनी दिलेले आहे.
Happy to carry out like this.
तसेच सुप्त पिटकामध्ये काही संभाषणे सुद्धा
Hey,
दिलेली
show
आहेत.
them. You give me kissing.
सुप्त पिटकात संकलित केलेली भगवान बुद्धांची ही सर्व प्रवचने त्या
Hey.
नैतिक
Okay.
व
I'll
भौतिक
shift it back to its nest here.
प्रगतीकरिता सुद्धा दिलेली आहे.